Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtutor.com where we'll be discussing um, all the questions. So our today question is warranties provides repairs and or maintenance for a specific time for a car, home, or major appliance, and is the includes in the price of the product usually provided by the manufacturers. What is the purpose of the this warranty? Option A promise to stand behind the product. Option B to show is not the best quality, so you need as a warranty. Option C a promise to replace the product, not matter what happens. Option D do provides you will not need a warranty. The correct answer of the question is option A. I promise to stand behind the product. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classteacher.com and find on the search sections. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.